Ali, it's last guy. Yeah, that's right.
Call right away, mom.
So you just wake up?
No, I wait long time, but there's certain movement now with the people them and this man who do the gym.
Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania. I am just showing you the completion of Lester Hodges' house. Guys, I want you to tune in and to see how the house is looking now. And to be honest, Mr. Hodges moved into his house 3 months ago. So he's living comfortable now and he is okay. And guys, we just want to continue to support him the best possible way. But just please tune in, look and see how his house has been completed. I just personally want to thank all the donors, everyone who has contributed to make this a success for Mr. Hodges. Alright, guys, please continue to support. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for all other updates. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican.
People from all over the world. You don't know that this is your lady Tania. And let us all chat Jamaican. Yeah, man. Because me love chat Jamaican. Me raise a bar like no other nation. This are the time for we all get wiser. Jamaica to the world, make we start work harder. We arise, we are pray in a this lovely place. Get rid of bad mind and learn we lesson. Lady Tania, queen of YouTube. Everything me do in the end it gets better. Yeah, it'll go better. Yeah, let us all support each other and spread the love among our brothers. It'll go better, yeah, it'll go better, yeah. Let us all support each other and spread the love among our brothers. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of the shadow of death, me no afraid, me strong and me never afraid. God bless Bikini, and me that lady Tania. My heart rich, we getting wiser. Yeah, we working harder. Yeah, let us all support each other and spread the love among our brothers. It'll go better, yeah, it'll go better, yeah. Let us all support each other and spread the love among our brothers. Chat Jamaican with Tania. 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 Chat Jamaican with Tania.
How old are you? You're 5. Okay. Come. Straighten this up there.
Bend it upward. Upward. Knock it upward. Education to them, they go there and broke it down and take away the field for the children. Them. They perform all those kind of happening there.
What?
So you have to be careful of too close.
No.
Who you are close against. Oh, no feeling I have to take. If it feel rough, I have to stay rough. Rough is not crime, man.
So you're happy now that the inside is painted?
Oh, I know. There's no fear or no doubt with you, man.
Yes.
So you have me under shelter now.
Yes.
And that is important. The sheltering.